Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can elevate your video and photography game, the OnStage VSM3000 green screen kit. We found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can check out its latest price and availability. The OnStage VSM3000 is a versatile green screen kit designed for both amateur and professional creators. This kit includes a 58 inches by 40 inches dual-sided portable backdrop screen featuring both green and blue color keys. This flexibility allows you to choose the best option for your specific shooting needs, whether you're working on video projects, photography, or even streaming. One of the standout features of this kit is the high-quality cotton material used for the backdrop. It's stretched tight to minimize excessive wrinkles and avoid improper lighting reflections, which is crucial for achieving that smooth, professional look. Nobody wants to deal with distracting creases when you're trying to create magic on screen. Another practical aspect of the VSM3000 is its lightweight and collapsible design. The backdrop folds down easily into the included carry bag, making it super convenient for on-the-go shoots or storage. Plus, the adjustable stand height ranges from 28 inches to a robust 88 inches, accommodating various shooting angles and setups. Whether you're filming in a small room or a larger space, this kit is adaptable to meet your needs. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a content creator, be it a YouTuber, a photographer, or a Twitch streamer, this kit can really enhance your production quality. It's also perfect for educators looking to create engaging video lessons, or professionals who need to shoot presentations in a clean, controlled environment. In practical use cases, imagine setting up a dynamic video background for your YouTube tutorials or capturing stunning product shots without the clutter of your home or office. The dual-sided option means you can easily switch things up depending on the mood or theme of your project. Whether you want a bright blue backdrop for a more relaxed vibe or a striking green for special effects, the OnStage VSM3000 has you covered. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, portable, and flexible solution for your video and photography needs, the OnStage VSM3000 green screen kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.